This is not a test, this is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. government and NATO. This is an attack warning. I repeat, this is an attack warning. An attack warning means the United States and/or one or more of its allies have been attacked. Russia has launched multiple intercontinental ballistic missiles with nuclear warheads at the United States. This is a message from the President of the United States or one of his representatives.
My fellow Americans, this is a dark day in US and NATO history. As you have heard, Russia has launched multiple nuclear bombs at the United States and NATO. But this is not the end. After these devastating attacks, we will still come back, stronger than ever. This is what to do so you and your loved ones survive. Immediately pack at least 14 days of food and water, get medical supplies, including prescriptions, get a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, or a hand crank radio. Move to an interior or underground secure location. Turn off all air conditioning and block all cracks that air can get in through. Do not come outside until an all clear has been given. Thank you and God bless America and NATO.